Hello children, myself Anju Chabra. Today I am here to explain you about atoms and molecules. Some basic concepts of atoms and molecules we are going to discuss. Now, this is my book. This is the blackboard. This is the marker. These all things are called matter. Matter means something which has mass and occupies space. Like the walls of our house are made of bricks. Bricks are the building blocks of a wall. They are the building blocks. Likewise, the matter has a building block called atom. The building block of matter is atom. So many atoms join to form molecules, and molecules make your matter. That makes your matter. Now, on the basis of their physical properties, we can classify, we can have the division of matter into three categories. What they are, you must be knowing: solids, liquid, and gas. Now, when we talk about their chemical properties, they can be classified into two types. What are they? Pure substance and impure substance. Impure substance is also called mixture. From this name, you can have the idea what is impure. Now, this pure substance can further be divided into two types. What they are? Element and compound. Now, what is element? Element is a pure substance which cannot be split up into two or more substances by chemical method. For example, element calcium, we write them with the help of their symbols. Calcium, chlorine, aluminium, sodium, oxygen, hydrogen, potassium, and so many. What is the smallest building block of element? That is atom. Smallest unit of element is atom. Now, what is compound? Compound is a pure substance which is made of two or more types of elements combined together. Chemically, they are combined by fixed proportion, by mass. For example, compound carbon dioxide, water, H2O, NaCl, calcium chloride. Okay, so now what is the smallest unit of compound? Molecule. That is your molecule. Now, how to make this formula? How to make this formula of compound? That thing we are going to discuss now. Now, in order to write down the formula of a chemical of a compound, we need to learn about the valency. Now, what is valency? The question arises, what is valency? Valency is the combining capacity of atom of an element. Combining capacity. For example, in H2O, two atoms of hydrogen is combining with one atom of oxygen to give the compound H2O. They are making the molecule of water, that is H2O. Likewise, NaCl. One atom of sodium is combining with one atom of chlorine to give you NaCl, one molecule of NaCl. Now, how to write down? What is the use of valency? How to use the valency in order to write the formulas? Now, Valency at your level, you are supposed to learn the valency of some common elements. In the higher classes, you will be explained how to write down, how to find out the valency of a particular atom, particular element. Now, for example, element name and valency. The valency of carbon is 4. Valency of oxygen is 2. Valency of chlorine is 1. Valency of calcium is 2. Valency of potassium is 1. Valency of sodium Na is 1. Now I'm going to tell you how to use the valency. Now, for example, I have to make calcium chloride. Calcium chloride. Now, calcium and chlorine are there. Calcium chloride. Now, calcium. What is the valency of calcium? 2. Write down here. Chlorine. Valency is 1. Write down here as a subscript. As a subscript, we are supposed to write down their valencies. Now, interchange. In the next step, we are going to interchange. Now the valency of calcium will be 1 and chlorine valency here we are going to write down 2. So the resultant will be calcium chloride. This is the formula of calcium chloride. I hope it is clear. One more example we will take now. For example, Na, sodium, chlorine, valency of sodium is 1. Here write down. Chlorine valency 1. In the next step, we are going to interchange. There will be a change. 1 again. They both are 1. So it is NaCl. That is your sodium chloride common salt. So in this way, we can write down the formula of a chemical compound with the help of their valencies. I hope it is very much clear with you. Students, keep on doing the practice of making the formulas. Happy learning. Till that, bye-bye.